Hey everyone, happy Tuesday and welcome to Mental Pick. So for today's recap, we got a total of 34 Amazon leads today. For online arbitrage, the total that we got is 24, and then for retail arbitrage, we got 10, so overall 34. So let's check some samples from our online arbitrage leads coming from Boots website. There you go. First things first is the Smart Hill Pick and Mix. Curling wand, you could earn a profit of 4.38 with an ROI of 66%. Another is this number 7 Radiant Results Cleanser that you could earn a profit of 3.49 with an ROI of 30%. Intelligent Color Foundation from number 7 as well, profit of 6.34 with an ROI of 45%. And last two, profit of 15.69 with an ROI of 316% for this revitalizing toner. And lastly, the birthday gift box from Soap and Glory, which you could earn a profit of 3.96 with an ROI of 40%. So overall, great finds. So check out all the rest of our websites presented here on the left side of your screen for you to be updated on our leads upload yesterday. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some channels, review giveaways, affiliate income, job opportunities, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, feel free to check all these channels out. One bot operated channel that we got for you is this Amazon to Amazon monitoring, wherein you could see all the A to A flips. I know you guys are already familiar, so check out all our latest A to A flips. Another one is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of this website. So let's check this sample from Argos, 57%, 50%, 70%. Very big price drop for Argos today. So check out all the rest of the sale price drops from Argos for you to be updated about our leads. And lastly, of course, our general and Amazon community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it. And of course, share your achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.